So we're going to do this bottom corner. I have these clamps that are wide enough, and also these, so that we can hold things in place. I'm going to pre-drill some holes before we start putting things in. So this is the back. Okay, and I'm going to put some in from the bottom to secure these up. I'm going to show that with the visor cam. And I'm going to use some slightly longer screws for this part. Okay, and I'm going to go again on the other side in, just to pull this in because it's a little bit warped. Okay, that's the bottom done. So let's do this now, and don't forget we have that angle on the back that matches up with the back of the cabinet. And then this angle goes on the back. I'm also going to screw in from the top, which we won't see, to hold this edge. This is why we have the big clamps. It's pretty twisted. Notice that that wood is shit. So that will help keep things in check. So this is our Tempest Cabaret. Everything is a little bit wonky, mainly because the wood is so warped. I'm not buying the more expensive wood again. But once this is in place, that will keep everything straight. So I think my next job is to do the coin door and cut it to size, and then cut the holes for the actual coin door and the marquee and the speaker before it goes in, and then we'll have to look at actually permanently gluing and securing. So I think that will be it for this video. The next one we'll be doing the coin door, and then we can look at the final assembly on how far we've got. But even with me being really careful about keeping things straight, and it's still pretty wonky, but as long as these edges are straight, that will lock everything in place. Yeah, I think that's it. So next we will look at doing the coin door.